Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on data visualization using the coding language Python. This lesson is part of the Data Visual project, an Erasmus Plus project funded by the European Commission. So today we are going to discuss how to use two libraries of the Python language, Matplotlib and Seaborn, to help us visualize data. So first of all, today we are going to learn how to install these two libraries, and then how to plot a simple line chart, then how to personalize your chart, and then we'll try to use more advanced type of charts like histograms, bar charts, and bar plots. And finally, we will try to create a heat map with a table of data, and we will try to personalize it using code. You will also find in this lesson additional resources, the official documentation for the Seaborn and for the Matplotlib library, and then different tutorials on both libraries and on Python as a tool for data visualization in general. Now let's dive into some practical examples.